All right, everyone, you're on day 3. We're nearing that halfway part of the week. So hopefully you're feeling a little bit warmer and that you've learned something from day 1 and day 2. Let's go ahead and start day 3 in high plank if that's okay. 3, 2, 1, 5 minutes. Let's go. All right, we're in that strong high plank, which is where we started day 1. All right, I want you to pull your right knee to your right elbow, left knee to left elbow. Good. Tap. Tap, tap. Now, some of you might be able to get your knee all the way to your elbow. Some of you might laugh and be like, nope. But just do the best you can. We're here for 5, 4. Really try to tap. Good. 3, 2. Yes, I'm counting every other, by the way. And 1. Lovely. Drop to your knees. Drop to your forearms. Interlace the fingers. Let's go ahead and raise the bum up to the sky. Good. Draw your belly up and in. Exhale, shift forward. Shift back. 8, 7, 6. Good. 5. Tuck it in my shirt. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower the knees. Good. All right, now from here, flip over onto your backs. All righties, legs in the air. Opposite hand reaches right, left, center. Right, left, center. Good. Right, left, center. Right, left, center. Keep going. Right, left, center. Reach with the right, reach with the left, reach to center. One more time, right, left, center. Good. Now we got those leg lifts in day 1. Now we have leg lift circles. Right, down, up. Let's go. 2, down, around, reach up. 3, down, around, reach up. 4, oh baby, I feel it. Reach up. And then 5, down, around, let's go left, left, down, right, come up, left, down, right, come up, left, down, right. Good. I think we have 2 more. I might be off by 1 rep. I'm sorry if you have to do an extra. And to the left. Good. Bring it all the way up. Rock it on up. Good. Quick transition back into that high plank. Ready, set, high plank hold. Left knee touches, right knee touches. Good. Left, right, left, right, left, right. 5 and 5. 4, 4, 3, 3, 2. My abs are burning. 1, 1. Drop it. Forearms lower, toes tuck, booty goes up. All right, those dolphin push-ups. 8, 7, 6. Let's do this. 5, 4. Come on. 3, 2. One more rep. 1. Drop your knees. Good job. Flip over onto your back for me. All right. Legs in the air. Reach left, reach right, crunch up. Boom, boom, boom. Good. Across, across, center. Across, across. 1 more. We reach over, we reach over, we reach up. Now hold it up right here. Small pulses. If you need to support your head, support your head. Maybe just support your head with 1 arm. Baby, pulse it up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands come under the glutes. We circle right, left, up. Draw those circles. That's 1. Good. Up. That's 2. Right, down, around. 2 more reps. Come on. Right, down, around. Last rep. And center. Please go left, left, down, to the right. 1. Left, down, to the right. Bring it up. Good. Left. Woo! It burns. It burns. 2 more right here to make it 5. Circle, circle, circle. Final circle. Good job. Exhale, pulse it to those toes. Good. In 15 seconds, you are done. If you need to, one hand behind your head, support your neck. Otherwise, day 3 is almost over in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hug your knees to your chest. Rock it left to right. Beautiful job. Big rock up. Stand up. Way to go. Day 3. Nice, nice, nice. Way to go, guys. I'll see you tomorrow for day 4 and hope you had fun.